We're at the Refinery, which is a 15-story, 460,000 square foot office building in Williamsburg, Brooklyn. Juno has been a great partner to work with. They really helped us customize our pods to meet the needs of our vision. We think Framework is a great addition to the Refinery community because it allows tenants to come here, rent small spaces as a startup, and then incrementally grow as their companies grow. From the floors, there's a really unique experience of looking through the interstitial space between the new glass curtain wall and the historic facade. Through the apertures, you have views of the river.
Landlords are agreeing shorter lease terms, and so they're leaning towards modular construction that allows them to easily adapt and reconfigure the space when a new tenant takes over. And so they're looking at creative ways on how they can do that. And I think the Refinery is a good example of modular construction. Rents are increasing, costs are going up across the board, especially for Class A office space here in New York. So tenants are looking at how they can optimize the space that they currently have to create an effective and productive environment for their employees to come back to.
Framework provides a serene, soundproof environment for you to do your best day of work every single day. And the way the office has been designed of late has been too dense with not enough private space. We've partnered with Juno to build what we believe is the perfect product for how people work today.